Sacramento, Assemblymen James Gallagher and Kevin Kiley have officially won their lawsuit against Governor Gavin Newsom. On Friday at Sutter Superior Court, Judge Sarah Heckman in her final 9-page ruling that Newsom abused his authority by changing state law in violation of the California Constitution during the COVID-19 pandemic. The decision makes her November 2nd ruling permanent and denies Newsom the power under California Emergency Services Act to amend, alter or change any existing statutory law or make new statutory law to legislative policy. Gallagher welcomed the ruling in a statement. Today, the court confirmed that Gavin Newsom does not rule California and that we are still a nation of laws, he said. California has not been well served by one-man rule. A return to representative government will be best for public health and the economy. The governor must accept this ruling as a fundamental principle of our democracy and govern himself accordingly. The lawsuit by the two assemblymen stemmed from an executive order N-6720. That order, issued on June 3, directed that the general election be a vote by mail. Newsom tried to argue that the case was moot because the legislature has addressed the election. She said that the issue also about a governor's ability under the California Emergency Services Act to exercise legislative powers by unilaterally amending, altering, or changing existing statutory law, or making new statutory law. In fact, she wrote that it was an active ongoing controversy between the parties and that it was a critically important one for the judicial branch to resolve. But she also noted that even with the legislature's action, Newsom showed no evidence that the order had been rescinded as the governor's legal team had claimed. She also wrote that the Assembly Bill 860 did not entirely supersede the June 3 order. She ruled that a governor using the Emergency Act has the right to make, amend, suspend and amend orders and regulations, but doesn't allow the governor to amend or make new